Katanat horticulture rengkat berkatanat tourism tagasngi kan artrik yong. Kelasdang biang ye ke strawberry festival arajar arpusau ke baar sngi linter hagi lightly ke district ki bakantup ke riboy district east khasi hills but west garo hills. Kajing temu ban pelong kini ke Tamasa kalong kum shipenta ban penki imbiang bat ban kentiu ke kamrep so strawberry apo ke jela Meghalaya. Hagani ke Tamasa ke belasdang mentagasngi riboy district la pelong ye kini ke Tamasa hakashnong solia ka bratip rukum ka strawberry village hakaba Vijay Kumar DIS Commissioner Secretary ka tanah tourism ulawan ban play ye kini ke Tamasa ka mukongsan hakajinge don langru uba oling khoirang bashnong ka solia lem kiwe ki he officer ye kini ke Tamasa strawberry la pelong shnong solia riboy district hakashnong sentung ha east khasi hills Barakashnong dare chigre jong ka West Garo Hills. Laitre langru ban kintiu gini ka Tamasa rengkat ka kenhun jong ka Opus Production baka Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project. Hakaba kidon shipun kijing penbernya naduk kajingyak kejat kajingyak cycle kajingyak ka jong ki khulung kena kajingyak lat ru ban net khet ye ki so strawberry na ki farm hakani kashnong. Badru ke jingdon jeng dukan de jing de ke bedi ke so strawberry ki wine ki umso bat ka bam bapher.
And a very important thing is what has happened. We have done when we do events. If we do an event 1 year and then we forget about it, then we won't have that impact. The whole idea is that these kind of events should be held consistently. They should be held annually, and they should be held in a predictable manner. So I see some tourists are there. So it's a wonderful thing that people, from outside the state, outside the country, are coming for events like this. But they will come when they know in advance that next year this festival will happen. So I want to make a commitment here that we will do festivals like this. This festival, definitely the Strawberry Festival, let us make it as an annual event. So that every March or every April, when the fields are in full bloom, when the fields are in full production, when the strawberry production is at its peak, so we do a tourism event so that not only do the farmers benefit from direct sale of strawberry, but they also benefit from tourists coming in and other people benefit. We set up homestays here. We have a wonderful homestay scheme. So under that, I'm sure many people from the village are also taking advantage of the homestay scheme. So we are also building a beautiful homestay right there on the top of the hill. So we are renovating that existing homestay. So by the time next year we do the festival, so we not only have strawberries, but we also have tourism on a large scale, so that people buy the strawberries, people buy the strawberry wine, people also stay in the village, people eat the food here. So that brings prosperity. So this is the story. A simple festival, a small festival that we are doing will have a huge impact here across the state. And as mentioned, we are doing this festival. This is a unique festival because it's not happening only in one village. While this is the main village, we are also doing it in two other locations. So these locations are Sintung and in Garo Hills, a place called Darichigre. So as we move along, we want to expand the cultivation of crops like strawberry, because previously we used to do 5 acres under strawberry cultivation. So today we are doing 25 acres. By next year we will do 100 acres under strawberry cultivation. So maybe if we are able to tap the market properly, and if we are able to process our strawberries and sell our strawberries well, we can increase the area up to 500 acres also. Because the value of the strawberry, the way this crop is able to change the lives of the people is significant. You have better punnet?
Yeah. Your punnet we have. Your punnet we have already used.
So
there in festival.
You should not use plastic.
Yeah, right.
That's just sweet.
Good. And then shelf life also, I think your punnet will be more lasting. Shelf life also very
Shelf life of the they're available in the market. I think the fresh strawberries and strawberry wine, yeah.
Yeah, strawberry wine is good. This one is 12%. Yeah.
So, how many fruits come in one punnet?
It should come 300 to 400 grams.
No.
Oh, one punnet.
Number of fruits.
In punnet,
20
on the grade. Grade 1, grade A, it come about only 12.
12.
Grade B, 12 to 14, and grade C will come to 16 or 18.
はい。
Tang juga dewas standar lukhoi na sama sana ko siya. Ala bodong madu bar Februari no kong du ko lodis. Sedang du lagu kra lekat bati perlok daerah kini gi opso. Pentat teter ngira padu teter du mentang akhlam senge jere Februari habra pasnam mengalap bagi jere Februari kolong jere bakhamyanong ben jengtung. Bagumta Pynlong ini sobres balmta kenang bakinong rap ibana jan senang bat ping gue kini sib talang barap kenang bakiru kin kiu kayo kan ban kersan ni kijing sistem jadi atar no sobri mentang laban penwan bunja kijing ki by product no ni sana sobri jam ni sana sobri wan ni sana jahit reter sobri ni sana kinid met sobri kuntar teter ulong bab laban penukam ya kasobon ni sana antar sobri dia kalau keba ngilapan penukam bunja takadang apa telur kinore boro bakin rep yundo sobri ya ke problem bagi rep pulang tanggo sembai lanting interior mayabara de sebaste marhang ning impala bat pilmi sembal jong mangi guna ki technical person banle elekam de takadaw ka problem konsannya kedai takatai mangimla banyo terai ngabara duduk pune na po himachal kadang kan poin lolong arpo arpan seterai tikino timla bana pot pan teto kata ter na takadaw kadang Jakarta ti ni cha thok ro tek tek cha blaf te tek tem ki ong de matangirap betardon ki ora do we berarti bom da ba kin mangrap du nong nong tu sakoi pat ajung du nong kolong kadawan kan natural committee suwan upria abawan upria te dak arbanai ro pat yo sok berkai ma boleh ni apa butu sekon thot protein rang ba un ba ni have to break untuk tu kibala supria dai tak dawi ap sluri no re bar khaj pakibya simbata ber sobri tak lalle chonoran chesetu ngalen mangastur banyalam chati noston semodu sama peran tu ber area bangale cuma nongkong ban de introduce kumno bantung kumno ban ai to motion kumno banayom kumno kadrik tu ber khaj ale cuma Hadian Meghalaya kena jiran dah government ngalalek kelas sedang tak bagi orang ngalek penjara te don mutahdu siasa menolak jadu kesiran ngalek penjara ki nore bakin nyarap musuh beri kita kontahi oleh sebut di dewan